This new AI video generator is currently in beta version, so you can use it for free. Even though it's in a beta version, the results are amazing and stable. So, let's get started. Part 1. Join Moon Valley AI. Go to the Moon Valley AI website. You can find the link in this video's description. Click the Try the Beta button to continue. After that, click the Accept Invite button and customize your settings. Part 2. Text to video. After successfully joining the Moon Valley Discord, go to the New Moon channel. Type /create and select Create from the list. Now, enter your desired video using natural language in the prompt section. Click Style and select a video style from the option menu. Choose the duration you want. The shortest duration will produce a 3-second video, and the longest duration will produce a 5-second video. After everything is set up, press Enter to start generating your AI video. Here is the result. Part 3. Camera Style. From their Prompt Education channel, you can see a list of camera styles you can use in your prompt. In this example, I will try the dolly zoom shot camera style. Here is the result from the dolly zoom camera style. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments section if you like tutorial videos under 5 minutes like this, so I will produce more short tutorial videos in the future. Visit our channel for more AI tutorial videos. Bye-bye!